the 2024 General Information Sheet or GIS of the MBB Global Properties Corporation would show the following. Macy Monique Maglanque, President. Sunshine M. Bernardo, Corporate Secretary. Fatima Gay B. Bonoan de la Cruz, Treasurer. Ulitin ko. Maglanque, Bernardo, Bonoan, MBB. Coincidentally, these are known surnames of today's flood control saga. Candaba Mayor Rene Maglanque, ang patriarch ng Maglanques of Global Concrete Builders, contractor ng multi-billion peso worth of flood control projects. DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo na kamakailan lamang ay nag-early retirement matapos masangkot sa maanomalyang flood control. At siyempre pa, dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Maglanque, Bernardo, Bonoan, MBB, Mr. President. Kayo na po mag-connect ng dots. By the way, sina Macy Maglanque, Sunshine Bernardo, at Fatima Gay Bonoan de la Cruz ay mga anak na mga nabanggit na opisyal ng gobyerno.